Case 1. If your partition is smaller than 32 GB, you can successfully format it to FAT32 file system in Disk Management. Step 1. Press Windows +X and select Disk Management in the pop-up window. Step 2. Right-click the target hard drive and click Format. Step 3. Select FAT32 in the file system. Wait for the automatic file conversion to complete. Case 2. If your partition is larger than 32 GB. Step 1. Install and run AOMEI Partition Assistant. You will see the main interface. Right-click the partition and select Format Partition. Step 2. In the pop-up window, select FAT32 from the drop-down menu. You can also specify the cluster size as needed. Then click OK to continue. Step 3. After completion, you will return to the main interface, preview the virtual results, and click Apply, Continue after confirmation. Please note that both Case 1 and Case 2 will clear all the files in the hard disk. Thank you for watching here. See you in the next 2 videos. If you have any questions, please leave a comment or send us an email.